Alright, heading into Epcot for the dinner package for the Candlelight processional. Gonna stop and have dinner at the Rose and Crown and then head over to the American Pavilion so we can check out the Candlelight processional with Marley Matlin. Here we go. Yeah, looks like they took down a bunch of the construction walls out front. We got some of the planners, the new planner design. Ooh, there goes the monorail. Some of the new planner designs set up here. Looks pretty nice. Still got the construction wall behind the fountain. They gotta, I guess, update or renovate the fountain. Add the spires in the center that used to be there. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Definitely making some progress. Last time we were here, the roof was still on, but you could see through the center of the building to the back. Now you can see all the way through the building, front to back, top to bottom. Club Cool is no more. Club Cool is not cool. Club Cool's gone. Fast Pass number 1. A little Sorin action.
Senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Imagination, a dream can be a dream come true.
Sitting down to dinner at the Rose and Crown. Got a decent spot out here on the deck. Just killing a little bit of time in mouse gears before the Candlelight processional. Saw these pair of ears, the Tiki Room designer ears. It's pretty cool. Not real sure what they're supposed to be designer of. So Sleeping Mickey maybe? I don't know. Not sure. But anyway, thought this was pretty cool looking. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Much better seats than the last time. Got right in the front row this time. Just sitting here waiting on the processional to start. It's gonna be sweet.
For over 60 years, literally millions of guests have enjoyed the Christmas story, the traditional carols, and especially the glorious music of the holiday season. And the angel said to them, "Fear not, for behold, I bring you good news of great joy that will be for all the people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, who is Christ the Lord." Father Joseph, the organ is broken, and we will have no music for the Christmas Eve service. Later in the day, as Joseph made his rounds, he visited a home where a baby had just been born, and he thought about the birth of the baby Jesus. He was so inspired, he wrote a poem, and he went back to the church and found Franz. He said, if we can't have the old organ, maybe we can have a new song, and you can play the guitar. And Franz said, well, Father, I only know 3 chords. Well, then make a song with 3 chords. Well, Franz hummed and he strummed, and soon he had composed the most beautiful and beloved of all the Christmas carols.